Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Magnolia floor plan, part of the twin villa line of homes that you can find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. The Magnolia is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, right about 1,400 square foot twin villa with a 2-car garage. You've got the side entry here leading you into the home. And as we walk in to this particular floor plan, directly to the right-hand side is going to be your garage entry, and then also your laundry space here, big enough for full-size washer and dryer and some additional storage. And this is going to lead us into our main spaces here. You've got your kitchen right up front here, nice size pantry, full stainless appliance package that comes with these as well. And this overlooks your dining space and your living space. Off to the left here, we have the guest bedroom with the bifold closet doors there. You've got your guest bath right next to that there, and you've got your combination tub shower, the single sink and commode. And this leads you into the 3rd bedroom slash den, depending on how you'd like to utilize it. This space here has a closet, but also can act as a den. You do have the pocketing sliding doors right there. And here's another look back towards the kitchen, where you can see that there's plenty of space for additional seating at the bar. Nice dedicated dining space here. And then you have your living spaces followed by your enclosed lanai in the back to enjoy all your views. And last but not least, you have your master bedroom. Big enough here, you can see that's a king-size suite. And you still have an additional space for some more furniture, a little seating area as well. And then you have your master bath here with the dual sinks. You've got your standalone shower, linen closet, and then your enclosed water closet. And then here is the closet here for your master. All right, guys, so this is the Magnolia, part of the twin villa line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida Communities. If you're interested in one of these twin villas, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.